back to my channel. My name is Veronica Olunde, and if this is your first time stopping by, please do not forget to click the subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel. It is innovative and I am very sure you're going to love this video, so give this video a thumbs up when you are done. And if this is not your first time, if you are a returning subby, you're my hero. I love you. Take this. Mwah. I feel like I am so used to repeating myself. So today, as you have seen my hair, you already know this video is a hair video. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So items needed for this hair are a nail polish, a bobby pin or set of bobby pin, tail comb, hair gel, a gel brush, and the hair extension will be using a Darling Kinky bulk in color 1. So my bobby pin came in black. I don't know if you can see the difference. That's the one that is white, and then the original one is the one that comes in black. So what I will be using is to use my nail polish. I decided to use white. You can use any color of your choice. So we'll be painting our bobby pins first, and we'll set that to dry. So while we're waiting for our bobby pin to dry, we'll go over into styling of our hair. Our advice is start the earlier process a night before the day you want to style your hair. So if you know you'll be using a bobby pin, polish it the night before you style your hair. So for this hairstyle, I'll be doing a middle part. So instead of me explaining the process, just watch, because English is not my mate. By the way, can you guys see how neat my hair is? I'm just feeling myself. You guys know your girl is not used to using rubber band to style her hair, so I am using thread. Crucify me now. So the next process is to use our gel and the gel brush to style our hair. Do not forget to damp your hair, like just give it a bit of wetness with water before you do this process. So while we are waiting for our hair to dry, it is now time to prep our hair extension. So just watch me as I do my thing. So the major prepping is to just get rid of all these colored ribbons. Can you see the difference? Yeah, so that's like the prepping, and then we take it off the pack. This is the first time I'll be using this big pack, so I am not cool with what I found, but we are going to make it work. So I would advise you use the smaller pack instead. I think that's better. This pack comes in 1,005. I think the smaller pack comes in 1,000 naira. Yeah, so I am going to be using my thread again. See, just watch this process. English is hard though, I can't explain. So I generally just made a knot, and then I'll be attaching it to my hair, making the smaller part stay inside. While you watch it, you'll get it. Yeah, so that other shorter part, I'm just going to hide it inside while I attach it to my hair. So the next is to pick a tiny part of the hair extension from each side. So if you pick from the right side, you are going to roll it in a circular motion over to the left side. So if you are picking also from the left side, you're going to do the reverse as well, just so the whole bun stays in the middle. So this is what your hair should look like, but this is not the finished look. So it is time for us to pick our bobby pins, the ones we painted white. Yeah, you can paint yours in whatever color. I decided to go for white. So I am going to be attaching them to my hair, and I think that will be in a crisscross shape. So this is the finished look, guys, and can you believe that this hair is at most 2,000 naira, and this is the hair that brides can wear for their weddings, and as a guest you can wear it to any event and no one would know. And I think for my next video I'll be styling it in a way that brides can use for their wedding and also for their bridal showers. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give it a thumbs up and share. Until next time, bye, love you.